Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. So today's topic is medical insurance claim application. In this application, we are going to predict the approximate medical claim amount based on the user medical inputs. So let's do it. So these are the inputs. The first is age. We will write the any age of the person. Then sex, male or female. I will choose male. BMI you can calculate by going to online any application. You can get BMI from there. So I will write it as 30. 30. Number of childrens, write as 2. Smoker, no. Region northwest, and I will click on predict claim. See, so the claim amount is 8,346. As we know, it is an approximation. It is not accurate, but it can give you a certain amount that is close to the insurance claim. So please go through this application and test your own test cases. For the code behind this, you can visit file section, click on app.py. Here you will get all the code, how the model is trained, tested, and it is predicting the medical claim. You can get all those things here.
So, who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost, and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you, so we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.